Hartes Babes Geburtstag ist schon 35 Jahre alt. Eins, zwei, drei. Hello, I'm Kathy. Today's Baba's birthday, and I baked princess cake. I can show you how to make it. Come and join us! This is the sponge cake that I made. If you want to do it, I can show you. I'll put raspberry jam in the top of the cake and put this. Do it every morning in a bread. I'll put raspberry on top. I'll put the sponge cake. Next, I'll put the vanilla cream. We'll put the whipped cream. Now we put the cream in the cake. Look at that. I'll put the marzipan on top. I will now put the flour in the middle. Happy birthday, Baba! Happy birthday, Baba! Happy birthday, liebe Baba! Happy birthday, Baba! First, I'll put the marmalade and the sponge cake. May I have help? Hello, Kaka! I'm Meh. Play with my friends and good.